Imagine transforming any photo into something magical with just a single text prompt. Want to merge two people into a cozy cafe selfie? Swap outfits in seconds, or even erase unwanted objects like they were never there. In this tutorial, I'll show you 10 incredible ways to use Nano Banana inside Google AI Studio. You'll learn how to merge people into one photo, swap outfits, remove distractions, recolor clothes and backgrounds, turn photos into dreamy Studio Ghibli scenes, redesign your interiors, create product collages, generate professional headshots, convert photos into oil paintings, and even design marketing-ready images. All of this is completely free, and by the end, you'll be editing like a pro with nothing more than text prompts. Step 1. Merge two people. Search for Google AI Studio and click on Try Nano Banana. Upload two separate photos, then paste this prompt. Merge both into a selfie in a warm cafe. Click Run, and within seconds, Nano Banana will merge the images into a brand new photo. It's more powerful than Photoshop, perfect for family, friends, or fun creative collages. Step 2. Swap outfits between images. Upload two images into Nano Banana and type, "Change the outfit of image 1 with image 2. In just seconds, Nano Banana will swap the outfits and create a fresh new look. This is especially useful for fashion design, styling ideas, or testing which clothes suit you best. Step 3. Remove unwanted objects. Upload an image, for example, a beach photo, with an empty bottle and a dog. Then type the prompt, "Remove the bottle and the dog from the image." Nano Banana will quickly clean up your picture, removing distractions and giving you a neat professional result. Step 4. Recolor and change background. Want to refresh your photo style? Use the prompt, "Change the shirt to deep blue and set the background to Paris at dusk." In just seconds, your photo will be transformed with new colors and a stunning background. You can test endless combinations until you find the perfect look. Step 5. Ghibli-style transformation. Want your photo to look like magical animation? Try the prompt, "Transform this into Studio Ghibli-style with soft pastels and golden light." In moments, Nano Banana will give your photo a dreamy, hand-painted, Ghibli-inspired feel. Step 6. Interior editing. Upload a photo of your room, for example, a white sofa against a white wall with two chairs and a plant. Then type, "Remove old chairs, paint the walls sage green, and add a modern sofa with a plant." In seconds, your space is completely redesigned, like having an instant interior designer at your fingertips. Step 7. Product collage. Upload product photos and use this prompt. Arrange a book, pen, mug, and earbuds on a wooden desk at a 45-degree angle with soft lighting and sofa on the left side. Nano Banana will generate a clean, professional collage perfect for Instagram, online stores, or e-commerce displays. Step 8. Professional headshots. Need a polished headshot for LinkedIn, resumes, or business profiles? Upload your photo and type, "Neutral background, studio lighting, head and shoulders crop, subtle retouch for a clean, professional look." Nano Banana instantly creates a studio-quality headshot without the cost of a professional photo shoot. Step 9. Convert to oil painting. Want to turn your photo into art? Use this prompt. Convert into hyper-detailed oil painting with visible brush strokes, a warm color palette, gallery-style lighting, and a medium close-up view. In seconds, Nano Banana transforms your photo into a masterpiece that looks hand-painted, perfect for wall art, gifts, or creative projects. Step 10. Marketing/social media image. Upload your product photo, for example, a perfume bottle labeled "Love." Then type the prompt, "Create a square Instagram-style product shot with the perfume bottle centered on a marble pedestal, space above for overlay text, dramatic soft lighting, and high resolution." Nano Banana will generate a professional ad-style image, ideal for Instagram, Facebook, or online marketing. And that's it. With these 10 powerful prompts, you can turn ordinary photos into professional edits, artistic creations, and even marketing-ready visuals, all for free inside Google AI Studio with Nano Banana.